Hi, it's Dave. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a behind-the-scene look at a new recording space that I'm creating in my house. Alright, so here we are in Southern California. We've been living in this house for probably about 10 years or so. It's a modest-sized house, about 1,500 square feet or so, and it's got 3 bedrooms. Actually, it's a great house that fits our needs very well with 2 kids. And the problem though is our kids are super loud. They're at their ages of almost 6 and 3 now. And it's hard to record inside. So every day I'm going to our RV, which is parked in our driveway right now. But the problem with that is that there's lots of lawnmowers and noises, and when it rains, it's incredibly loud in the RV. I can't do anything. So if I've got an interview scheduled, it's I don't know what to do. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a space in this house to actually do some recording. And we try to, think about constructing something in the garage, but our HOA, our homeowners association, won't allow any types of construction like that. So we're thinking about making a new room inside our master bedroom. And I'm going to show you guys what that might look like. All right, so let's go ahead and go up to the second floor where all the bedrooms are located. All right, this is one of my favorite spaces in the house. It's kind of this open ceiling. First floor, so it's very spacious, and it's got this, we kind of keep things pretty minimalistic so our kids have lots of space to run around and play, and we've got a view to the backyard as well. Alright, first let's take a look at our kids' bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms up here, 2 are the kids' bedrooms. Let's come over here. Alright, so this is our son's room. We asked actually my kids if they would be willing to share a room so I could have my own room for recording, and they weren't into that, so we're gonna let them keep their own rooms. All right, over here, this is our second kid's room, and she's almost 3 years old, and so yeah, she kind of hangs out here, and it's a great space for her. Over here is our laundry room, and it's pretty convenient. It's close to all the kids' rooms. All right, here we have the hallway bathroom. It's close to the kids' bedrooms, and then this is on the way. The hallway goes over here to the master bedroom, and I'll show you guys what this looks like. All right, so here's the master bedroom. So we've had this bed on the other side, and we moved it on this side. We're trying an experiment. We're gonna try to chop up our room and make actually a recording space, a recording room inside our room. And this is what it's gonna look like. If you look over here, we have this tape on the ground, and so this is where the new wall is going to be, over here. And over here is where we've got this door, right here, this blue line, and it's going to be kind of like a solid core door. So the construction is going to be like this. We're going to have a new wall here, door and wall, and on the wall we're going to have 5/8 plywood installation and 2 pieces of 5/8 plywood on the outside. We're going to caulk everything with acoustic caulk and do this special acoustic glue called green glue. This door here is going to be a solid core door, and we're going to have this professional level door kit, seal kit, that's going to hopefully seal out most of the sound. And so this is going to be the recording space. We're going to have our light here and camera here, and I'm going to probably set up a desk right here and then probably record here, try to have maybe some type of bookcase or something in the back. All right, tomorrow our contractor is coming to start work on this project. He's gonna complete it hopefully within 4 or 5 days. We're actually gonna add some plywood on the floor and some cork and some other stuff to kind of suppress the sound as well. Anyways, I'm taking my family out of the house for about a week so we can kind of avoid the construction. We're gonna be hanging out at some RV park or campsite near the beach in Orange County or so. All right, so after all this construction is finished and we've got a new sound recording room in this bedroom here, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do another video to show you the final results. Overall, I'm hoping this new sound room will give me some more possibilities and flexibility to do some more interviews and to record kind of more videos in a quieter environment. All right, hope that was kind of interesting and wanted to give you guys a behind the scene glimpse at what's going on. We'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Hey, what are you guys doing here? You're looking for potato.